Hello GX community. Today I am going to show you a little hack I learned from a mechanic I used to go to, but it's going to require me to do a complete oil change to show you the difference, the contrast between the two. Come on closer, let me show you. It's going to require us to pull out of our dipstick. I'm going to show you in a little bit. Let's clean our dipstick really good. Let's put it back in. And let me show you what's going on. So here, as you can see, is my maximum line and my minimum line. You could totally see that the oil is in between the two, okay? And the only reason you can see this is because the oil is old and it turned dark already, and that's why you can see it. So why am I telling you guys this? Well, I have a little tiny hack that's going to help you guys find that oil level when you put in brand new engine oil. Let's get to work, guys. Okay guys, right after your oil change, get a roll of paper towel ready. We're going to go ahead and take our dipstick out and we're going to clean the first round. We don't want the first round, okay, because the first round is going to have a lot of engine oil splatter all over the dipstick and we don't want that. We want to start off clean. We have a clean slate right here. Let's go ahead and put it back inside the engine here. What we want is the second or the third round, okay? So let's go ahead and take this and we're going to leave it horizontal, okay? Don't dip your dipstick back and forth because oil does run up and down, okay? So you're gonna wanna keep this horizontal while you do this. Go ahead and take your dipstick and let's go ahead and go to the workstation. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna take our dipstick right here. It's horizontal right now. Remember to keep it horizontal. Remember, the reason why we're doing this is because right after an oil change, you cannot see brand new oil. It is practically transparent, okay? You're gonna have to do this 2, 3, 4 times before you get it right because you cannot see transparent oil. What I do with this hack works each and every single time, okay? So you see these dots right here for maximum and minimum? Maximum and minimum. I'm going to flip it upside down. I'm going to put the edge of the dipstick with the edge of the paper and I'm going to soak the oil. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in, guys, so you could see better. If you could see my oil, I'm going to use a piece of tape right here. I'm going to put it at the end of this oil, okay? I'm going to go ahead and take my dipstick and I'm going to clean it. And I'm going to take the same edge that I used, I'm going to put it against this edge right here. And now I know exactly where my oil landed because here is the stain, the residue of oil, and here's the line that dictates the end of where that residue ended. And if I put my dipstick at the edge of this paper and I look at my max line is exactly right there. So guys, how did you like that hack, huh? I didn't make this shit up. This was taught to me by a real Toyota mechanic a long time ago, and I still use that hack to this day. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.